How to add bookmarks menu in Google. So here is how to add or enable the bookmarks menu and menu bar in Google Chrome, often just called Google. So let's get started. First of all you have to do is open Google Chrome on your device. Once inside the Google Chrome, let's simply go to the any website to add the bookmark on it. I'm here at the chatgpt.com. So here you can see there is star icon available in the search address bar at the top right corner. Simply tap on it to add the chatgpt to your bookmark menu. So now in order to view the bookmark, tap on the three dot icon at the top right corner. Then there you can see bookmark and listing option available. Tap on the show all bookmarks and all the website that you have bookmarked will be shown here. You can simply repeat the process for other websites as well if you want to add the bookmarks, and that will be done. If you found this video helpful, please like, share and subscribe our channel, and thank you so much for watching.